Quixx, the experts for surface technology, present the two-component paint scratch remover, the #1 worldwide scratch solution made in Germany. It happens very quickly and can happen to anybody. Scratches and paint are unsightly and reduce the value of your car. Visiting the workshop can be very expensive. Save time and money. The two-component paint scratch remover repairs small, medium, and even deeper scratches fast and easy, suitable for all gloss paints and paints of all color. Simply polish the scratches with the high-performance paste repair #1 and then use finish #2 to bring the paint to a high luster. See for yourself, your paint gleams like new. This is how the innovative plastic deformation technology from Quixx works. During application, the specially developed polishing medium generates a very high pressure on the surface. The material begins to deform. The scratch is then filled with the inherent paint material and is smoothed over. The result? A flawless surface. Before tackling deeper scratches, use the special abrasive paper included to assist the polish. Voila! Have confidence in the trade magazines globally. Quixx has already been voted the prize winner on numerous occasions. Also, the German TÜV and the DEKRA have awarded their coveted test seal of approval for verified effectiveness. Preserve the good appearance and value of your vehicle with the do-it-yourself solutions for professional results from Quixx. Rely on the quality made in Germany. Remove any fears and worry over expensive invoices from the workshop or inadequate solutions and false promises. Using Quixx, you can remove scratches in an instant from cars, motorcycles, motor caravans, boats, and much more. Quixx works. The Quixx repair system also provides other do-it-yourself solutions made in Germany. The repair pen for damaged paint and stone chips, the scratch remover for acrylic and perspex, the headlight restoration kit, the all-metal polish.